Almost every person coming out of a college wants to be a person good at spoken English. It has become a desired skill or a quality of an incumbent who applies for a job. These days, there is a shortage of people who are good at language communication. Now, in the globalization era, we find that there is a strong need for people who are good at language communication. Hence, there is a need for people who are experts in English language communication. The strong need has been felt by the industrial recruiters. So, students are also who are willing to become good at communication in order to make themselves eligible for that job. We come across engineers who cannot communicate well in English, do not have good spoken English skills, soft skills, and naturally make themselves ineligible for that job. I have come across people who are just not good at language communication, and hence they are not at all able to get through the interview. When they apply for an interview, they are unable to make it well. So, as a student, everyone should realize the need for good language communication skills, soft skills. But how to acquire these soft skills? The first need is that one who is a good speaker of English should necessarily be a good reader of English. It is the first step of need for learning a language. Reading. If a person starts reading, say, fiction works, he will make himself familiar with the, the language sentence structures. If he practices the language structures again and again, then he can be familiar with the usage also. So, in the course of continuous reading, a person will also eliminate his grammar mistakes. It is quite natural that we commit grammar mistakes while we communicate. No one can be perfect in communication, especially in language communication. There will be some occasional flaws, some defects. But if the course of reading, we can find out the way to eliminate these small mistakes. So what should a person do? He can begin reading. Now reading what? It is up to his choice. Some people may love to read newspapers all the time. Some people, retired people, just want to spend the afternoons reading English newspapers. But students have to just familiarize themselves with the growing, the change or under the changes, the colossal shift in the language communication actually. The modern journalistic communication is very different, right? And how they communicate, how they write, and is of course very different actually. So, students first have to be good readers. It is good that newspaper reading, I think it is very fast disappearing, especially among the learning student community. The reading of newspapers is drastically reducing. Even very familiar house daily houses, daily newspaper publications are struggling to uh, get their circulation up. So what is needed actually? Students have to first they have to devote their time for reading. Second thing, reading also can be done in the area of fiction. There are several fiction works written, and so many fiction works are available in a good library. So if they learn, if they read such fiction works, they may be familiar with the language structures. I think fiction is the right way for a person to enter into language learning. Second. Third thing, pulp fiction also helps a lot. Some people can consider pulp fiction or popular fiction to be trash. You have hundreds of writers in that category, starting from, say, Dennis Robbins, Irving Wallace, and all other people, Sidney Sheldon, and all these writers. They have written voluminously on crime and other subjects. But remember, these pulp fiction writers also help a lot, and it is another way to learn. But one can ignore the content actually. It may be about say crime or any other trash matter, but that trash matter may be ignored. And language can be the necessary, the required element in that trash is actually language. Second thing, another thing, students have to just to utilize any good public library to the maximum extent. It is a clever student will exploit the resources of a library, and they will some of them will also just to take say notes in a small handpad wherever they come across some usages. This is actually a good practice. Whatever maybe we live in an internet revolution, an era of internet revolution, an era of digital revolution, where whatever the information we require is just available at our fingertips. Our students resort to Googling. For any doubts, they enter into Google and they Google um, facts, whatever it is. But there is no substitute for a book reading. Book reading is different. You see hundreds of scholars emerged in the past. They were all readers first. And a person good at this language communication will be also able to be a successful candidate at all the interviews also. He can emerge himself successfully even in academic examinations. Some examiners always look for people who are good at communication, and they just look for the language also. So it's a good thing that language command always helps a student to distinguish himself from the rest. He can emerge himself, he can show the edge, and he can single himself out in a crowd of students. So in these ways, reading and then again listening to say useful things, maybe watching news, this English news bulletins will help a lot. BBC News, and other famous broadcasting channels are available. And these things also, careful listening will also help to enhance our skills. Language learning is a skill and not a knowledge. One can have a knowledge of geometry. One can have a knowledge of, say, algebra. One can have a knowledge of topography or, say, astronomy, say, space science, say, telecommunication. These things are connected with knowledge. A person who is good at these things is having a knowledge. But a skill is different. You have a skill, when it comes to language, it is acquiring a skill, mastering a skill. So naturally, students with good communication skills will definitely thrive well in the competitive job market. And we see neck-to-neck competition in the global arena, given the situation that the frontiers between the nations are gradually disappearing, and communication is very swift and fast, and eligible candidates are taken up by recruiters, MNC companies, and recruited everywhere across the world. In such a situation, multiple skills are needed. For instance, even computing is a good skill. A person good at computing, typing, he will definitely get an edge. Say, learning some languages in addition to English, say for instance, learning German, learning say Chinese, Japanese, and some other additional languages will always help a person to emerge himself or make himself, say, at least taller than the rest of the candidates who apply for a job. Thank you very much for your patient audience.